Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Violentmonkey and preparing a safe workspace. Click the Chrome Extensions menu, pin Violentmonkey, and open its dashboard. Once there, create a new script or import an existing one. Use the plus button to begin. You should name the script clearly and set it match rules so it runs only where intended. Make sure permissions are limited to trusted domains, because least privilege keeps your browser secure and avoids unnecessary exposure. You now edit and configure the script logic to perform the task. In the editor, update the metadata block, at name, at match, and permissions, so Violentmonkey injects only where needed. Then write or paste the JavaScript body using console, log for debugging and save often. Once done, toggle the script on and load the target page to verify behavior. If you need updates, enable auto-update or point to a raw hosted file for controlled versioning and rollback. You finish by testing, deploying, and preparing for problems. Reload the target site and watch DevTools console for errors. Step through with breakpoints to find logic issues. If things fail, disable other extensions or open an incognito window with Violentmonkey enabled to check for conflicts. Make incremental changes and retest after each change. If a script breaks a page, immediately disable it or restore from a backup. This quick rollback prevents prolonged disruption and helps identify the faulty change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.